Hey folks, Trane XR90 AC return filter change. Every 6 months you got to change, right? 6 months. If you forget, you got to do it the 7th month or whatever. Okay, I'm going to show you what you have to do in here. Right here, just turn your little lock tabs and this door will come right out. Okay, wiggle your door out. The filter is in there. Okay, there's an airflow on it, so the return goes this way. All right, you'll see it because the dirt is on that side. So when the motor sucks it in, it'll clog up the dirt. That's what the filter's there for. It'll come through. All right, I date it. So the way I do the ones that I change for people. Okay, this one is pretty easy. All right, there's a little clip here that holds it, and there's another clip on the other side that's spring loaded, so that's why you can push this in and out. Okay, it's like a spring. So push it in like that, comes right out. Right, whoops, everything's falling apart here. All right, so you line it up with that little spring back there. It's a little slot. This pushes in, boom. See how it just comes right back in at you? Then you know it's good. All right, let me check you. Let me show you the airflow. There it is. There's an arrow right there. Airflow. All right, so going from the unit in there and in there. Show you a little slot. You can see it. There it is, the little spring. It's right there. It looks like a little butterfly. All right, right there. That's your little spring tension. That's what you got to make sure that the other side is sitting on. Okay, let's see if we do it here. You see it, you feel it. Okay, once you feel it in there, you get the little spring tension. Okay, then it just bends in, comes right out. See that? All right. If you don't feel that spring tension, that means you do not have it on right. It's not going to make a good seal. And that's it. Hey, you want to see what the an old one looks like? This is on the motor side. It's pretty clean, right? Even though it's blown out there, but I'm going to show you why it's blown out. Okay, looks spotless. You ready? Da-da-da. The reveal. Here it is. Look at that. Clogged up. Clogged up so much that it started to blow out through the bottom. All right. This one's changed on looks like July of 21 it was changed. All right, look how much dirt it picks up already. That's it. All right, put this away, try not to inhale it. You can wear a mask if you want, but you do it fast enough, it should be good. All right, the door should go on. Simple, just the way it came out. Might need 2 hands, might not. Okay, just gotta push it in, line up the door. There you go. Lock, lock. And that's it. Thanks for watching.